In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can connect MetaMask with PancakeSwap, alright? So basically, you're connecting our wallet to PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is an exchange, so just keep that in mind. And if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of Pancake. It's a pretty interesting cryptocurrency, and I like it a lot. And if you guys want to know more about it, you can, do your own research on it, because this video is how you guys can connect your MetaMask with your PancakeSwap, alright? So let me tell you guys. So for mobile and for PC, it's pretty same. So the difference is on mobile, first thing is you want to have an extension, basically like an extension of your MetaMask. So basically how you guys can add a MetaMask extension is you can just go on where it says apps over here. You can go on web store, and basically by going on web store you can search for MetaMask over here. After searching for MetaMask, you can add your MetaMask to the extension. After adding it to your extension, it's going to look just like this. You can click on it, and as you guys can see, MetaMask is going to look just like this. You can just click on it, and then you can connect your MetaMask account. After logging into your MetaMask account, basically what you want to do is you want to go on PancakeSwap. You want to search for PancakeSwap. After searching for it, you want to go on home PancakeSwap over here. After you come over here, basically what you want to do is you want to click on where it says connect wallet. From all this over here, you want to click on MetaMask. After you click on MetaMask, basically it's going to connect you to your MetaMask. You need to wait for some time, and as you guys can see, I've already connected to my MetaMask account, because I have already added my MetaMask over here. And if you guys have not added your MetaMask to your extension, you guys do not have to worry about it. Basically, once you click on MetaMask, it's gonna ask you to log in into your MetaMask account. By that I mean it's gonna ask you to enter your referral phrase code, which means the code which you need to enter to log in into your MetaMask account, and then your MetaMask password. After entering that, basically MetaMask will be connected to your PancakeSwap. So my MetaMask has already been connected over here. If you did this on mobile, it's pretty same as well. You just go to your search engine and you just search for PancakeSwap, and you just go over here and then you just do the step which I just did. I just clicked on connect wallet. Basically it's gonna ask you to choose which wallet you want to connect. You want to choose MetaMask, and from over there you want to enter your MetaMask information and it will be connected. It's that simple.